Hey there! Today we are going to be talking about estimating. When we estimate, we are making an educated guess that is close to the actual measurement of an item. Today we're going to estimate length using what is called the benchmarking method. With this method, we use different items that we know the approximate length of to estimate how long something is. Today our tools will be a thumb, which is approximately 2 inches, a pointer finger, which is approximately 1 inch, a fist, which is approximately 4 inches, a dollar bill, which is approximately 6 inches, a crayon, approximately 3 inches, a paper clip, approximately 1 inch, and then in our metric system we have a staple, which is approximately 1 centimeter, the very tip of a pencil, which is approximately 1 millimeter, and then a baseball bat, which is approximately 1 meter. Let's start by estimating the size of the penny board on your screen. Now, I know approximately how big a penny board is, and it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to try and measure it with a paper clip. So let's start by measuring it with the crayons. What we'll do is we'll line up from one end of the penny board to the other, crayons stacked end to end. You ready? Let's do it. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Approximately 5 crayons to line the side of the penny board. Now we know 1 crayon is about 3 inches, so let's add it up. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Good job! Our penny board is about 15 inches wide. Do you want to try it with a dollar bill? Let's do it. It takes 1, 2, that's not a whole dollar bill. That's just half. Let's see. $1 bill is 6 inches, which means we have 6 plus 6, which we know is 12. Good job. 12 plus, what's half of 6? 3. Good job. So, what is 12 plus 3? 15. Nice. And if you remember, that matches what we got on the last screen when we measured with crayons. Good job, guys. Now, let's get real small. If we look at this ant under a magnifying glass real close, and we line up our pencil tip to it, our ant is about the same width as this pencil tip, which means our ant is about 1 millimeter wide. And then if we line our ant up with the side of the staple, and we know our staple is about 1 centimeter wide, we can say our ant is about 1 centimeter long. Good job! This is Benny, and Benny needs our help. Benny wants to make a bed for her doll, but does not know how big the bed needs to be. Let's help Benny estimate the size of her bed with the things she found in her room. Now, what did Benny find in her room? Looks like Benny found a rubber duck, a pencil, a $5 bill, and a couple crayons. Now, I don't really know what to do with the rubber duck because I don't know how big a rubber duck is, so let's get rid of that. We're left with 2 crayons, a pencil, and a dollar bill. Now, we know that a pencil is measuring the very, very tippy top, and it's a really small measurement. I don't think that makes a whole lot of sense for this doll bed, so let's go ahead and eliminate that one. That leaves us with 2 crayons and a dollar bill. Let's get measuring. Our doll is 1 crayon and $1 bill tall. Remember, our dollar bill is 6 inches and our crayon is about 3 inches. So, our doll is about 6 plus 3 inches tall, which is about 9 inches. Good job, guys. Let's see how wide our doll is. She's about 2 crayons. And if each crayon is 3 inches, that means she's about 6 inches. Good job, guys. Which means, oh yeah, I knew some of you would get it. She's about $1 bill wide. Now, we have our sketch. Our bed needs to be 6 inches wide by about 9 inches tall. Are you ready? Let's make it. It's perfect. Benny loves it. Good job, guys. That's how we estimate, and I can't wait to practice with you in class. You all did great work today. I'll see you soon.